Talk to Allah. Speak to Him. Tell Him your difficulty. Tell Him your challenges. Tell Him how you are suffering. Tell Him what you are going through. Talk to Him. Cry to Him. Communicate with Him. He is the Lord of the worlds. He is the one that can rectify everything for you. And then when you realize what Allah has done for us and everything that He has blessed us with and bestowed in our lives, so when we actually think to ourselves deeply, then we'll understand that Allah is the one, and Allah is who we need to turn to, because He never turns away from us. Whenever you have an issue, you want to make sure that the first thing that comes to your mind is your Allah, your Lord. First thing, always. That's the one thing I always remembered. So whenever a difficulty comes to me, I always think first to myself, Allah, always, no matter what the situation is. It could be very difficult, or it could be difficult, and at the same time, take that moment to even repent to Allah. Take that moment to even repent to Allah.